This is a Charles Hubert Paris pocket watch model number 3537. This is what the front of the case looks like. This is the back of the case. It has a double hunter case, which means the front and the back both open. Has a skeleton dial so you can see the internal workings of the watch. The clip here on top that holds the front case, you can see, is smaller than the one on the back, which means when you open this up, if you just want to check the time and not have both the front and back open at the same time, the front one actually releases first. And then if you push it down a little farther, the back will open as well. It's 47 millimeters in diameter, not counting the stem, 18 millimeters thick. This cost me about $100. It's not the best pocket watch in terms of quality, but it is a good value for the $100 that it cost. It does come with a lifetime warranty and all the internal mechanisms. It was manufactured in Hong Kong, but there is a United States address to ship it back for any warranty repairs. It also comes with the included chain right here with the clip, and that also detaches if you don't want that on. It is mechanical, so there's no batteries. It winds up just by turning this crown.